Give it to the screen so that you see the lux increasing because of the laptop screen is very brightened. So you see it increase and hide the sensor. If you see the value will drop to 0, right? The lux. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in the last video, we were able to develop the XDK application here, and then send the temperature sensor data to the MQTT broker here. So in this video, we will get on the humidity, lighting sensor, air pressure sensor, and then we'll display it in the user browser. So as you can see in the current diagram, on the sensor will be sent to the broker using the JSON format. It will get the data every 2 seconds, and then do the sampling every 2 seconds, and then send into the broker. And then from the broker, it will push notification to the user browser. So basically, we have the browser, we have the software running on the browser, and then we receive the data from the broker. So in this video, we also develop the React application here, so that we can run on the browser. So you see 2 arrows here, one will be receive the data and one will be receive the static content from the web server. So the React file will be retrieved from the web server, and then the sensor data will be pushed from the MQTT directly to the browser. And then the web server will be hosted on the Amazon EC2 instance as well as the RabbitMQ broker. So let's get started. So before you get started, then modify a little bit on the previous example, then add additional value for the humidity, pressure, and then lighting like this. And then we build the JSON here so that it can send out to the server. So we divided the temperature for 1000 because we want to get the Celsius value instead of the milli-Celsius value. The same thing for the lux as well, because the intensity here gives you the milli-lux value. So we divide it by 1000 so that we can get the lux. Modify yourself and then run in the XDK device. So as you can see, every modify is running now. Every 2 seconds, it will send the JSON data to the MQTT broker. And then from here, I have the client, the power tool. So you see the data coming here every 2 seconds. Okay, and the JSON format like this. Okay, temperatures, humidity, and then pressures, and then the lux. 32 degrees Celsius current temperature in my room. Okay, let's go ahead and build the React user interface. So you can go into the Google and then search for the React application page, and then follow the step here, and then we able to have the template running. First of all, I run this command. Let us start my CMD. Okay, let's navigate to the my repository. Oh, not this one. I want to navigate to the repo, which is 7, and then go to the Bosch XDK example, and then from here we can create. So from here you can type the command change the my app into the XDK front f up. Okay, let's wait for a moment so that it can download. It can initiate the project as well as the downloading the dependency. So after the command successful, we can navigate into the folder XDK Web App. For now, let me pull the video.
낮에서부터 밤이 흘러가듯이 난 너를 따라서 흘러가겠지. 또 술을 부어줘. 난 지금 몽롱해지고 싶어. 날 무너뜨려줘.
Okay guys, we are done. Now we need to navigate into the folder, the project we did created. So we will navigate to XDK Web App, right? Sorry guys. Okay, so then you can type npm start. So I don't want the npm, so I type yam start. So you can use the gen or you can use the npm. So I prefer the gen, that's why I run the gen command. Okay guys, this is the default page, the template from the React App template. So what we need to do will be open your IDE, prefer IDE, and then you can open the folder. So go here and then open the folder. Okay, so let's see the structures. So you have the package.json. So on the dependency I listed down here. So this is the dev. This is the dev dependency, and this is the script to start the project. So you can run the start to run the project, or build to build the binary, to build the deployment file. And here the node modules is the library for your nodes and for your project. And then the source here, basically the file we can do the coding here. The public will be the static file, the template for your HTML page, or on the logo, pictures, so on, will go in this folder. As well, the CSS file will go in this folder. So let's go ahead and modify here in the title, the XDK Web App using MQTT. Okay, and then save it, close it. So let's come back to the diagram here. So we need to listen for the we need to subscribe for the topic from the MQTT broker. Then we need some library, right? And then let's go and check it out. So here the library, the top library you search for it. We need to go for this one. You see they have a 5K star on the GitHub. Okay, and then let's see how to use this one. npm here, npm install MQTT, right? So let's do the same thing. Then I stop the project, and then yarn add MQTT. And then we also need the front-end library for the React as well. So let's go for material UI. So basically this is the UI library. It have a component. It have an on component for your UI. Let's say you have the box, or you have the button, for example. Then this is the template for you. Let's go ahead and install the material UI. Okay, let's add the material UI as well. So go ahead and link the font here in your HTML file. Go back here, HTML, put in the this section, the header section, and then the icon. So if you want to use the icon, they have the material icon here. So if you want to use the built-in icon like this, for example, then go ahead and install the material UI icon. They also have a CDN, the content delivery network file, so that you can use for your project. But we are used in the React project within the Node-based environment, so we can use the npm here. Okay, so we need some component to display on the UI, right? First, we find out which one is suitable to display the temperatures. So maybe they have some, not this one, the form, the chip, right? Can we use the chip here? I think so. We can use the chip here, chip component here, like this, right? With the icon and then the value. So let's go ahead and then get the code here. Import. So what we need here? Chip. Okay. So we need the basic with the avatar. Let's see again. The M here. Okay, like this. We need this one. Okay. With the M character. Let's go ahead and get that code. There we go. Get this one. So go back here in the app.js. This is the where you need to modify. So delete everything. Put it here. Change a little bit here. This is the style. This is the style. Let's leave it empty now. Okay, function. Use the style. Okay, so remove the handling here because we don't need the clickable. We need to import the chip as well. Okay, let's take this one and let's take the mic style as well. But I don't think we need the mic style, so just remove it. We only need to display the UI, right? Okay, so let's change this one into something. So let's say this will be the temperature. Temperature will be the Celsius, right? C character, and this will be, let's say, 33. And then we have another chip here. Humidity, right? It will be the percentage or RH, right? So let's say it will be the 80, 40, 50%. And then we have what? we have a pressure would be the Pascal, right? And then what we have, we will have the lux, right? Lux. Okay, let's take the avatar as well. Avatar. Remove the logo. Okay, let's run again. Close this. Refresh this one. Okay, so we have something here, right? So we have a Pascal, and then we have a lux. Okay, so let me change a little bit here because of the space p character. Okay. Okay, so now we need to take the value from the MQTT, right? So let's go back to the MQTT page. Okay, we did this one, and then we need to define like this. Okay, let's define first the MQTT. Import MQTT from MQTT. Okay, and then connect, right? So I think we need to change this one into the class, into the component, so that we can have the initialize function. So we can define class app extend component, and then here we have a function render. Function render will return this one. Okay, so now we will initialize the MQTT into the component this mount. When component mount on the DOM, then we need to initialize the MQTT. So basically we need to do this one. MQTT MQTT client. MQTT client. Okay. Okay, so we need to import like this. Directly the MQTT client into the project. So we need to new MQTT client, and then connect. We need to connect to the MQTT where the link. So let's take the link from this one, this IP address. Okay, so from this one we need to subscribe for the event, right? So client on connect event, then we need to subscribe for the topic. What is the topic here? So we have a topic, telemetry topic. Okay, so basically here we will subscribe for it, and then we log something. Here we have function error. Hey, let's check it out. Okay, this one is the correct one. This is the correct one. Client on message, and then we log down the message as of now. This client component, this unmount component will dit component will unmount, then this client dot end. Okay, and we need to check if this client okay. Client is notified undefined. Okay. Okay, this one is this client. Okay. So we use the arrow function here so that we can refer to this. Okay. Cannot read the public client of undefined. Okay, I think we need to pass some correction here. MQTT client option. Okay. What is the client option? Let's see the example. It's a client ID. Okay. So we need to pass the client ID here into the. Okay, we need to build. Let's build the connection option. Client ID. Client ID. Client ID. Host name. Port. Host name, port, the path, protocol.
A few moments
Right,
later.
guys, after checking the document, I think we have to define like this. With the connect function, we return the MQTT client, and then connection string will be the WS, and then the IP, and then you have the MQTT over the WebSocket port, and then after this we have the client, and then you have the this client. You have this client on connect. Then you have a function to say okay, connected. Okay, and then this client, on message, and then you have the function like this, two parameter topic and then the message. Let's use the auto function here. Okay, so let's log out the connection string. So let's check it out. Open the let's open the console, connected, and then you have nothing. Let's check if the device running here. Okay, device still running. And then what we need to do will be subscribe for the topic, right? Okay, let's do it here, guys. On connecting, and then we'll do the subscribe here. Subscribe for it. Subscribe for what? For the topic. We did the 3. Okay. Let's check again. Okay, we receive the data here again. So what we do next, after we have the data, it needs to be display on the UI, right? So you receive the data here. So let's extract this one as the function. So handle JSON message. So let's write at the message here. Okay, JSON path. You path the text here to string, or we can type here JSON, and then we can path like this. This handle JSON message, and then topic, then message to string. If they have two JSON here, guys, so let's use this one as well. To JSON. To string. Not sure how it works, so I just use this function. Okay, so you have a JSON here. So what we do we will set the state. Set the state at okay. So from here we need the constructor prop this state equal nothing, so that will not get the exception below here. So from here you can bind to the equal to like this state, and then what this state, and then what temperature, and then humidity, and then pressure, and then what, and then lux, right? Or what is that? Lux, right? Is that lux? Lux, right? Oh, we need to see here. This will be the lux, pressure, humidity, and temperatures. Okay. Okay, we need to call this. We need to call super constructor. Okay. Connected, and then let's see the value. Oh, cool. We have a real-time value here. So I try to change the. I turn on the AC actually. So I turn on the AC. That's why the temperatures drop from the 32 or 33 to the 30. So now we have a humidity lux as well. Let's I give it to the screen so that you see the lux increasing because of the laptop screen is very brightened. So you see it increase, enhance the sensor. So you see the value will drop to 0, right? The lux. Okay. Lux will increase again. Increase again. And then it's 0. Increase. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, and then give me a comment below and give the surprise as well. So in the next video we'll try to do the time series chart here. We'll add the time series chart here for all the parameter. Okay, see you guys.